We are EAS students.
Greetings from University of Edinburgh. We are here in University of Edinburgh in front of the Tivit Royal House, which is one of the oldest places that was founded by the Student Association of the Edinburgh. The University of Edinburgh is one of the oldest universities at Scotland, and
it's one of the top universities in Edinburgh, 19th in the ranking. I'm studying economics here and she's studying law here. We both attend lectures in the George Square, which is one of the oldest lecture theatres in the Edinburgh.
It's actually really easy to live in the city because everyone is studying at the university, and there are like more than 5 universities at this city. So student life would be really easy and
flexible schedules. It's unlike school life. In university, we have more flexibility in terms of schedules and how we do homeworks and attend lectures, attend tutorials.
Lectures here are really informative and helpful. They are supported by the books that are actually written by the professors themselves, mostly. And if something unfortunate happens and you miss the class, you can watch it in the website, which means that the lectures are recorded. And there are also office hours that are provided by the professors, that if you have any questions you can visit them in their offices and ask them different questions.
We try again different ways of helping students to get involved and get the maximum benefit from the lectures and from the professional professors.
Communication is here mainly is English, so there are many students from different countries, ranging from United States to India to Azerbaijan, and so the main language we use to communicate is English. And
in university we have professors from different countries, starting from Russia, Canada, and many other countries.
There are different options that you can choose your accommodation from. For example, I'm staying in the studio.
Whereas I'm staying in a university accommodation, which is Horsburgh Court, where I live in an institute room, which is self-catered, and means I need to cook. And I have learned lots of cooking here. Because it's a self-catered accommodation, I've learned how to cook from YouTube.
Meanwhile, I have lots of readings to do and I have lots of tutorials to attend. That's why I have no time for cooking. But that doesn't mean that I'm starving.
One of the advantages of living in a university accommodation is probably the fact that it's close to uni, so it's very convenient to walk to university. It's only 10 minutes walk from where I live, and it makes it easier for me to go home in between classes and revise.
Whereas in my situation, I'm living 25 minutes of walk from university, which means I have a bike and I'm riding to university, trying every day, but sometimes I don't. One of our favorite parts of the university would be main library. And that's because you can spend as much time as you want there. And recently, I think last year, they had this rule that the main library is going to be open for 24 hours, which means during your exams you're not going to be struggling with finding places, which is actually hard here because all the cafes and restaurants, bookshops are closed by 10 p.m.
Yeah, this is university library is the most favorite part for all students to study and concentrate on their studies. And given that there is all the computers and books that's been supplied. Students are lucky Edinburgh students are lucky to have these options. During my studies at the University of Edinburgh, I have experienced how my studies at EAS, particularly studying IB program, helped us to become better students in Edinburgh, and for that we are thanking EAS for the chance of studying IB and becoming a Edinburgh
We
student.
as law and economics students highly recommend studying at University of Edinburgh, and
Given the opportunities we have as Azerbaijani students and all the facilities provided by the university that contributes to our studies in Edinburgh.
Edinburgh'dan bütün EAS heyətinə salamlar.
Bizim üzerimizdə əməyə keçən bütün EAS müəllimlərimizə, xüsusən Cəmil müəllim, Aysel müəllimə, Aysel Əhmədova, Füsta xanım müəllimə,
Sahibə müəllimə,
Şəfiqə müəllimə və bütün adını çəkmədiyimiz bütün müəllimlərimizə təşəkkürümüzü bildiririk.
10-cu 11-ci sinif şagirdlərinə uğurlar arzu edirik. Onların indi çəkdikləri əziyyət bir gün də həsil edəcək.
Universitet həyatında həqiqətən və görmək olar ki, IB-də oxuduğumuz IB-də oxuyarkən öyrəndiyimiz bir çox bacarıqları burada tətbiq edirik və bu bizim daha uğurlu bir universitet tələbəsi olmağımıza kömək edir.
I would like to say special thanks to Mr. Nelson and Mr. Gary, who's been my extended essay advisor and TOK teacher,
And also Mr. Nelson, who has been our IB
coordinator.
Yeah.
And we couldn't have been here without your help, and we're really thankful for your help during our 2 years of
Suffering.
Thank
you very much for everything that you've done, and the fact that we are here today is because you have been supportive through the IB program.